Hello YouTube family, welcome to this video. My name is Ebube from Correct Homes and Properties, and today I bring you a road tour from Eleko to Shangotedo. And if you don't know, the construction of the Lekki Epe Expressway all the way from Eleko to adesanya is still going on. I have done a video sometimes ago where they were at Awoyaya, but now they've moved past Awoyaya and they are drawing closer to completion, which is at Abraham Adesanya. So as I speak to you now, the road has got into LBS Shankotedo, that is Lagos Business School. This is for you to see that development is getting to the outer skirts of Lagos. Lekki all the way down to Epe, the road network is fantastic, and it took me just 28 minutes to drive from Eleko to Shangotedo, bearing any shenanigans on the road from shuttle bus drivers and also from trucks that just come out of nowhere and trying to turn on the road. Aside that, straight journey all the way from Eleko to Shangotedo. So if you like this kind of videos, just sit back and enjoy it and just see how Lagos is all the way from Eleko to Shangotedo. I'll see you soon. The beautiful thing about roads like this is that it's going to open up the Bejulaxis more. I mean, property acquisition is going to be rapid in the Bejuleki axis, and not just for the Lekki Epe Expressway. There's also the Bejuleki Road that is being constructed, and also the new one, which is the Lekki Lagos Coastal Road from Lagos to Calabar, that is also undergoing construction. So it will be a crime for you not to hold a stake to a property around this area, because acquisition is going to be hitting these properties very hard. So it is important that you start looking into properties around the Bajuluk area. I'll see you again in the next video.